Welcome, explore the amazing world of animals with us. Let's get started. Dog. Dog. Dogs are loyal. Cat. Cat. Cats are curious. Elephant. Elephant. Elephants are huge. Lion. Lion. Lions are strong. Horse. Horse. Horses are fast. Monkey. Monkey. Monkeys are playful. Bear. Bear. Bears hibernate. Rabbit. Rabbit. Rabbits hop quickly. Fox. Fox. Foxes are clever. Wolf. Wolf. Wolves hunt in packs. Deer. Deer. Deer are graceful. Eagle. Eagle. Eagles soar high. Penguin. Penguin. Penguins waddle. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Kangaroos jump far. Giraffe. Giraffe. Giraffes have long necks. Zebra. Zebra. Zebras have stripes. Panda. Panda. Pandas eat bamboo. Crocodile. Crocodile. Crocodiles have strong jaws. Dolphin. Dolphin. Dolphins are smart. Shark. Shark. Sharks are fierce. Whale. Whale. Whales are huge. Owl. Owl. Owls see in the dark. Snake. Snake. Snakes slither. Frog. Frog. frogs leap high? Butterfly, butterfly. Butterflies are colorful. Bee, bee. Bees make honey. Ant, ant. Ants are hardworking. Spider, spider. Spiders spin webs. Parrot, parrot. Parrots mimic sounds. Peacock, peacock. Peacocks display feathers. Camel, camel. Camels live in deserts. Donkey, donkey. Donkeys are strong. Sheep, sheep. Sheep provide wool. Goat, goat. Goats climb well. Cow, cow. Cows give milk. Chicken, chickens lay eggs. Duck, duck. Ducks swim well. Pig, pig. Pigs are intelligent. Mouse, mouse. Mice are small. Bat, bat. Bats fly at night. Thank you for watching this video. Support us with a like, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, take care.